Welcome back, boys and girls, to Math with Mr. Robinson. Listen, today is Thursday, and we are basically today is going to be a review day. So we have learned a lot of concepts. We talked about being able to solve addition and subtraction problems using pictures, using concrete materials, and then also we learned how to write number sentences. Today we're getting ready to put it all together. But here's the thing. I went ahead and we're going to have, we're going to try it. We're going to do one together. This one is a little bit longer, and it's the reason why I chose it, because I don't want you guys to get confused. I want you to be able to break down what we are actually doing. So listen, here is the problem for today. What I want you to do right now is I want you to go ahead and pause the video. Go ahead and take this time to read it before I read it. Pause the video, take this time to read it before I can read it. Okay? Now, we should be ready. Pat has 2 pairs of shoes. Rita has 4 pairs of shoes. Rod has 6 pairs of shoes. How many total pairs of shoes are there? So now, one of the things that we need to realize is we need to figure out what's going on in the story. So this story is talking about a bunch of kids that have pairs of shoes. So what do we know? So let's go ahead and I'm going to pick this up. So one of the things that we do know is we know Pat has 2 pairs of shoes. Rita has 4 pairs of shoes, and Rod has 6 pairs of shoes. So that's what we know. We know Pat has 2, Rita has 4, Rod has 6. Now, here's the thing. What we need, what is it that we're trying to find out? The question. How many total pairs of shoes are there? So now, the same way that we've been doing it, we can draw it out. So Pat has 2 pairs of shoes. So he has 1, 2. This is 1 pair, that's 2 pair. So he has 2 pairs of shoes. Rita has 4 pairs of shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. She has 4 pairs of shoes. Rod has 6 pairs of shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the question now is, how many total pairs of shoes are there? So if we count them out, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have a total of 12 pairs of shoes. Okay, so that right there is being able to draw it, right? So we use pictures to solve this problem. Next is using concrete materials. So we already know my concrete materials. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put some pennies that I have on the board. 1, 2. Make sure you can see that. So we have Pat that has 2 pairs of shoes. Then we have Rita, 2, 3, 4. Rita has 4 pairs of shoes. And then we have Rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rod has 6 pairs of shoes, right? So now we can solve it because we know how to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, or we can just count by 1s. Remember what I said. Whenever we're counting, we always touch and then we move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So therefore, again, this same answer backs up what we have here. So that's one of the ways that we can use it. We can solve it using the information that we know, using concrete materials or being able to draw it pictorially. Now, our final thing is being able to write our number sentence. So remember, we always start off with the greater number. The greater number between 2, 4, and 6 is, you guessed it, 6. So we have 6, and then what are we doing? We already know that we're adding. So we're adding 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals, and let's see, when we tally it up, it totals 12. Now, how can we add that using the count up method? Easy. Watch what we do. So we know our greater number is 6. So if I have 6, then I'm going to put 4 on my hand. So I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now my new number is 10, and then I'm going to put 2 more up. 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12. That's all for our math review today. Listen, I have those questions for you guys. Go ahead and solve them. Shoot me a picture or message showing me what you did. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow is Fun Friday, so be prepared for the activity and the challenge that I have for tomorrow. Thank you, guys. See you soon.